The topic of our project is community detection based recommendation system using hypergraphs. Uh, the first step is to extract the data of the user from Facebook. The second step is to form hyperedges, and then we implement a community detection algorithm to find communities of similar users, and then we apply a recommendation algorithm to recommend items to the user. The first stage of implementation is this. Here we are demonstrating the data extraction from Facebook. User has logged in into the account, into the Facebook account, and now all the categories are shown here, like athletes, music, TV. All the information will be fetched from the Facebook. On clicking the athletes button, all the liked athletes are shown here. Similarly, other categories are there like music and TV. When we click on these buttons, the information will be fetched from the Facebook account and will be shown here. The second step is to form hyperedges. Once the hyperedges are formed, hypergraph is formed, the next step is to find the communities. These are the hyperedges that have been found. The numbers that you can see are the IDs of the users. The next step, once the hypergraph is ready, the next step is to find the communities of users. So these are the communities. We have built a code in C# that finds out the communities. Next step is to recommend the items to the user. Suppose this is a community that has been found, and these are the movies that the people of these communities have liked. This is the matrix to form item to item, to find item to item similarity, and these are the recommended movies. Now out of these 4 movies, I want to find the best recommended movie. So for that I've made another code, which is the naive Bayes code, in which we find the best alternative to be recommended to the user. So here the user have liked three movies in the past: Wolverine, Hangover, and Serendipity. And I have 3 options: X-Men, Hulk, and Avengers, and I want to find which movie out of these 3 will the user like the most. So using naive Bayes, I found the result, and the result is that the user will like X-Men the most. That's all. Thank you.